is me.
Okay guys, so come with me as I braid my daughter hair again, because you know she love her braids. So today we are doing the short box braids with the beads on there, but this time she decided to go out her comfort zone, guys. So right now you can see I'm just parting her hair to start braiding it, and I am using a mean grip edge control to kind of part her hair real, good. But as I was saying, guys, she's kind of going out her comfort zone and she's going to put some color in it. So we are going to put pink in the back, and in the front we're going to put black in the front. And she also chose the clear and pink beads. So y'all, this is, I'm telling you, it's difficult for her because she don't like to jump out of her comfort zone. So she decided to do color. So just watch and let's see how this is going to turn out. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm braiding the pink hair, and as I stated, we're going to put the pink hair in the back. We're going to go as far as the ear area, and that's how far we're going to go with the pink braiding hair. Now guys, like I said, she jumped out her comfort zone with this pink, but she was not in love with the pink because she felt that the pink was just too light. So what I did, I went in and I added a little black hair to kind of tone the pink a little bit and tone it down a little bit, but it's still pink. So yeah, so she again jumped out her comfort zone and decided to do this pink, and it actually turned out pretty good. Okay guys, so this is the last row that I am going to do pink, and after this row we're going to go in and do the black hair. As you can see, I parted it all the way up to the top of the earlobe, and yeah, and that's, like I said, last row that we're going to do for the pink. And as you can see, we're going to come and I'm going to show you the finished look of how the pink is looking in the back. Okay y'all, so right now we're like on the second row of me applying the black hair into her hair. So right now I'm just kind of parting the hair out to get it even, and as I stated in the beginning, I am using the mean grip edge control to put into the parts to make it much even. Now guys, let's have a conversation here. So I used to braid hair, and I say used to because I don't braid other people's hair anymore. I only braid my hair and my daughter's hair. And y'all, I be on TikTok and Instagram, and I see these chicks are out here paying $1,000 for braids. Now y'all, when I used to braid hair, and mind you, I braided hair for years, and I mean years. I braided hair for over, I want to say 13, 14 years. I am very experienced when it comes to braiding hair. I can braid any type of hair. I can braid short, long. I can braid hair down to the booty, to the feet, whatever. Now guys, mind you, when I braided hair, I never charged $1,000. It's crazy. I feel like I got out of the game too daggone early when people are over here paying $1,000 for braids. Oh my god, I thank God every day that I know how to do my own hair, because baby, these prices out here for braids, wigs, or any type of style is getting outrageous. And see my daughter here, that child is more blessed than she even know, because her mother know how to do hair. And mind you, my daughter knows how to do hair too. She knows how to braid. She knows how to do cornrows. She know how to do different styles, and I'm kind of still teaching her how to braid hair so she can actually start doing her own hair. And as her mom get older, she can start doing her mama hair too. So I'm just teaching her the ropes of how to, do and braid hair. Cause baby, I tell you, it is tough out here in these streets, baby. Like, people are paying $1,000 for braids, y'all. Now, mind you, I stopped braiding hair because I got carpal tunnel in my hand. Now, not only did I get carpal tunnel, I feel like I'm not as fast as I used to be when come to braiding hair. I used to be so much faster, y'all. I can do a head of hair, and I mean a thick head of hair, within 5 hours. 5 hours, y'all. I was pretty fast, and I don't know if I have any of my used to be customers on my YouTube. They can tell y'all I was pretty fast with braiding hair, and I was really good. I used to do maybe two to three heads a day. I was exhausted, but I did it. So yeah guys, so I do have carpal tunnel at times. My hands, it burns when I braid hair, and I just kind of take my time. I'm still pretty fast, but I feel like I'm not as fast as I used to be. But baby, y'all about to get me back into this game talking about $1,000 for braids. Lord. So I might just open up me a braiding shop and hire some people in there so I can capitalize off some of this money that's being made out here for braiding. I feel like I can really teach some people how to do something to make some money. It's crazy, y'all. But yeah, I just had to bring this up in here because it's just crazy to me that people are spending $1,000 on braids. It's crazy to me. I know one thing, them braids better come with something, a second free time to get the braids done again, or it come with a free touch up or something with that bad boy. I don't know, y'all. I ain't about to spend no $1,000 on braids. And like I said, I did braids for years. And I ain't about to spend $1,000 on braids. That's just not, yeah. And when I charge my customers, I tell you, I did them all. I did micro braids. I did tree braids. I did every braids that you can name. And when I used to do micro braids, and mind you guys, micro braids are really small braids. Micro braids, I never charged. I think my micro braids used to be like two something. Guys, oh my God, and they out here charging $1,000. It's crazy, y'all. But good luck with that, baby. I tell y'all better be watching a bunch of YouTube videos to learn how to braid your own hair, put your own wigs on, because baby, it's getting rough out in these streets. These chicks are charging $1,000 and up for braids. Baby, y'all better get y'all skills up, period. Alright, y'all, so we pretty much at the top of the hair. Now that I literally just talked through this whole video, we almost done. We at the top of the hair, and once we done, y'all, we gonna come in and we gonna add the beads on the end. So just stay tuned to that. Alright, y'all, so here is the 2-pack of beads that she's going to be using. Now she's using the clear beads and the pink beads, so she just only want the pink beads that's in the pack. Now the pack did come with like purple, pink, white, and all that in the pack, but she only wanted the pink that was in there. And on her beads, she put about 3 beads on there in the beginning, and she noticed that she wanted to do more, so we kind of went back in and added 1 more bead in there. So altogether she put about 4 beads on each braid. So she kind of wanted it to be shoulder length. So as you can see, I was measuring to her shoulder, and once I measured it, I just kind of folded the hair over one of the beads and put a rubber band on it. And once I did that, I cut the excess hair off, and I just continued to measure all of them to that 1 bead. And once I done that, we were pretty much done this style. Okay guys, so we getting ready to finish this up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting the rubber bands on the rest of the hair and cutting the extra hair off. But yeah, you guys, I didn't record the whole thing because this was a nice little process. So we are coming up on the finished look of my daughter's short box braids with pink hair. But yeah, you guys, definitely let me know your thoughts on this look, and if you'd like this video, definitely thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel, and definitely go follow me on all my social medias, Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys in my next video.